This, guys, is her bedroom. My gosh, I could just stay here all day, all night. This is just so beautiful. Just look at that. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night from the beautiful spot. Today is another adventure day, you guys. We are out and about. We are up on a hill. We are going to a romantic picnic today, but we just stopped to see this beautiful view. Tyler, this way. Ty, that way. Walk. We just stopped to see this beautiful view right here, because we're up on the hill, so we're seeing the port down there. You guys can see the port right here of the beach and everything there. Baby's there. Babe.
Hi guys. Just wanted to do a little stop before to reach our destination. So that's the stop that we want to do. It's pretty, no?
Yeah, it is. And Ty is here. Ty. Hello. Hey. Look at him backing up. You're backing up? Huh? That's where we're going? Yeah. Okay. So I don't know if you guys can see because it's a little bit foggy. So Babe says we're going in this little section, but we just stopped to see this view right here. Papa? Guys, this is so beautiful here. Look at my hair, how it's shrink so much. It is today is what? Today is Sunday, so happy Sunday, you guys. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day and it's as happy and as amazing and as beautiful as we are. Stay positive, you guys. Stay motivated, stay blessed, stay encouraged, and let nothing stop in your way of happiness. Let nothing stop in your way of greatness. Let nothing stop in your way of spending amazing time with your family, because that's what we enjoy doing. Wow, look at that. Oh, there's sand, honey. Look.
It's the one that we see from the falls.
Okay. It's beautiful down there, you guys. Let me zoom so you guys can see this. Hopefully you guys can pick this up. You see that? Look at this little area right there. Look at that. That's so beautiful. That's right in front of us. That's really amazing. hot. I can't open my eyes and I don't have my sunglasses. But that's beautiful. That's a really pretty view. You wanna walk? Go! Run! Run! Run, baby, run! Run, baby, run! Run, Ty! Wow, that's a bird. He's gonna poop on you. He's gonna poop on you. Yeah. Whoa! Wow! You guys, oh my god. We stopped to show you guys this view again. And of course we stopped so we could see this view. Amazing. Oh my gosh. Wow. So beautiful. Wow. Look down there. Wow. Look down there. You guys, Tyler say wow. You say wow? Say wow. Wow. You guys, look at that. I honestly feels like living in Nice is like you're honestly on vacation every single time you step out the house. Who wouldn't want to be on vacation all summer? Huh, babe? Huh, babe? Wow. I know. Look down there. It's so beautiful. It's like you just want to stay here. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, this views just keep giving me life all over and over again. And these houses is just unbelievable. Unbelievable. Only the rich of the rich. Only the rich of the rich. It's like living in Nice make you feel like you're in some kind of paradise, or it's like you're not on this planet Earth with everybody else. It's like you're in your own little zone. So right now we are heading to a famous house, but before I tell you BS, I'm going to have Babe tell you exactly what this house is that we are heading to.
I don't know.
Yeah, but you were telling me a little background,
yeah,
so tell them.
One of the most prettiest house of the area. It's been built by one of the richest family in France, and now it belongs to the government as a museum, for tourists to visit.
Right, so
and they have pretty garden, what they say. Damn, I'm sure.
Oh, and Babe was telling me.
I'm looking at all these cars since we passed, like 50 meters. I see play from Italy, Russia, British,
really?
Denmark, Germany.
Babe also was telling me that the garden is like a theme garden. So you have the French garden, the English garden, the Chinese garden. So it should be a pretty interesting kind of day. So this is where we are right now. This beautiful place behind us right here. And just let me show you the surrounding where the house is located. You see that behind me? That's awesome. Oh my god, what a day. Look at that. Look at that. Man, that's paradise. Look. This is only dream I could dream of these things growing up. Who would have thought that I could get to experience all these beautiful places and all these things. It's just amazing to see all these things around us. But let's go inside this house and see what's happening around there. And Tyler's there with our picnic bag and he's chilling. You want a picture? Alright. Yes, baby! My gosh, I could just stay here all day, all night. This is just so beautiful. Just look at that. Look at that. Amazing. Alright guys, so we're actually about to start the tour right now. We paid, we're inside, and There's 9 gardens to see, and there is inside the villa to see. So this should be fun. So let's go. So this is another side of the villa. I'm actually going into the villa right now, and then we're gonna go to the garden after. So we're inside right now. So we're going into the ballroom, you guys, which is here. So that's the ballroom right there. We're not allowed to go in this area. You're gonna fall, silly. This, guys, is her bedroom. Shh. You saw the bed, so you want nap? No. Tell her, see the bed, so he wants to nap. That's her bedroom. Tell her no. Tell her no. Yeah. Her closet, you guys. Our bathroom. The bathtub was right here, but it's no longer there. This is just some collection of what she collected. You guys, this tour has pretty much been interesting. Come, baby. Papa coming. Come, Tyler. Papa soon come. Come in. So this has pretty much been interesting. It's basically this house was owned by a very rich and famous woman married to a Russian man, and she inherited all these amazing things. Come. She inherited all these things from divorcing him, and they got married when she was 19 and he was 15 years older than she was. And she also inherited a bunch of things from her father, which was also a rich man. So we finished the tour of downstairs and we are going on the first floor, but I'm actually outside right now because babe don't finish his as yet. I'm getting a bit hungry, so I think I'm gonna eat first and then we're going to finish the tour. But the garden looked pretty beautiful. That's a little shot of what the garden is looking like from where I am right now, but it should be a cool tour.